At it, doing the driver's side rear wheel well, and just getting started. I've gone ahead and laid on some tacks. You can see they're pretty ugly there, but that's okay. They're just kind of holders to get them in place. I'll probably grind them down and get some better welds on there. But I'm running a little short on gas. I got a little bit of splatter. I don't really have the time to go get the tank refilled. Gotta catch a flight in like 4 hours. So I've got about 2 more hours out here with this, and then I've got to get back on the road. So it is a little bit complicated in that regard, but I wanted to get this secured. That way, in case I had to transport this for whatever reason to be able to finish the job, I'll be able to do so while keeping the same dimensions and orientation for the vehicle that I've set using just the common level setter. And that was something that I wanted to address. So in order to do that, I was, after adjusting the rear frame, that rear rocker, or I'm sorry, the inner and outer rocker on the driver's side, I propped this up with just a wood block there. And it again, it was mostly in, but I wanted to just get that little extra. And there you can see, so I've got it right on the center speaker. That looks good. And then coming down here, yeah, so I'm good there too. So without having a fixture, you're going to have to be doing a lot of leveling, and it does add to the time spent. But you know, if you don't have the space, then you got to make do with what you can do, and that's one way to kind of offset not having a proper fixture. So it works. Everything will be fine, and we'll get this finished. So I did have one thing to note on this. I chose to kind of interlace, and that's probably how it should be. But yeah, I obviously didn't do it on this side, and that's probably why I'm a little bit around these edges. I'm gonna have to bring that in a little bit. You see there, yeah, that gap. So yeah, but on this side, I was able to clean it up, and that's my handy dandy ratchet strap. But you can see that it's a lot tighter around here. You still have the gap there, and that could be symptomatic of the repro, but there's nothing I can do about that. That was not really a fit issue. That's more of a part issue. So you're going to run into that, and there's nothing you can do. So get the best repro you can, and hopefully you can try to avoid it, but you know, with no certainty that that's going to be able to happen. So as it stands now, there it is, and hopefully I'll be able to make another update video sometime this year, as I hope. The goal is to get this done, if not by the end of this year, by the end of next year. And I know that's really aggressive timing, right? Yeah, well, I'm not able to work on this every day, so just take it as it is, and it's just a slow project. But all right, peace.